If you want to get rid of the app mall on POCO M8 5G, then unfortunately it is not possible to completely uninstall it from your phone. This app is like built within the phone or within the operating system, and there is no way to actually fully remove it. But what you can do is you can change the region on your phone in order to just remove it from the app drawer so you don't see it in here. So to do that, we're gonna open settings. Then we're gonna scroll down and go to additional settings, and then go to region. And we can switch the region to a region that does not have app mall. So let's say I'm gonna use United States. And now if I go back to the home screen and open the app drawer, as you can see, the app mall is gone. So the app is pretty much deactivated. But if you switch back to your region, then of course it will be, well, it just reappears after that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.